Alright, what's up, guys? It's Eagle BT, and actually, I just woke up not that long ago. As you can see, it's 11:11. I'm tired. Our living room's a mess. Our living room's a mess. Okay, anyways, our living room is such a mess. I woke up, I look over, and what I see this. 1 minute. 1 minute here, and I see that. Look at that thing. Right above our air conditioner. Just sitting there, chilling. That's my thumb right there. It's almost like the size of my thumb. Like the end of my thumb. I think it's huge. God. Wow. And here in Wisconsin, we don't get that big of spiders. Like, occasionally you get wolf spiders outside, but yeah. So there's that thing. And yep, that's all I wanted to show you. A little bit of a boring video, but yeah. See ya.